Macomb's seasonal weather can be tough on a home's exterior. From heavy spring rains and summer storms to falling leaves in autumn and freezing temperatures in winter, your gutters play a crucial role in protecting your home year-round. Choosing the right gutter material is essential to ensure reliable performance, prevent water damage, and reduce long-term maintenance. For Macomb homeowners, understanding how different gutter materials respond to local weather conditions can make all the difference. Why gutter material matters in Macomb. Gutters are responsible for directing rainwater and melting snow away from your roof, siding, and foundation. When gutters fail, water can pool around the home, leading to foundation issues, erosion, and exterior damage. Macomb's climate includes frequent precipitation, temperature fluctuations, and seasonal debris, which place added stress on gutter systems. Selecting the right material helps ensure gutters can withstand these challenges without constant repairs. Aluminum gutters. A popular and practical choice, aluminum is one of the most commonly used gutter materials, and for good reason. It performs well in varying weather conditions and offers a balance of durability and affordability. For Macomb homes, aluminum gutters resist rust, handle heavy rainfall effectively, and remain stable during temperature changes. Their lightweight nature also reduces stress on the home's fascia during winter snow and ice buildup. Steel gutters. Strength for harsh conditions. Steel gutters are known for their strength and ability to handle heavy loads. This makes them a good option for areas that experience significant snow accumulation or intense storms. In Macomb, steel gutters can withstand winter conditions well, but they require proper maintenance to prevent rust. Homeowners who prioritize durability and don't mind occasional upkeep may find steel gutters to be a solid choice. Copper gutters. Long-term performance and visual appeal. Copper gutters offer exceptional durability and a distinctive appearance. Over time, they develop a natural patina that protects against corrosion. For Macomb homeowners seeking a long-lasting solution, copper gutters perform well in all seasons. While the initial cost is higher, their lifespan and minimal maintenance can make them a worthwhile long-term investment. Vinyl gutters. Budget-friendly but weather-sensitive vinyl gutters are often chosen for their affordability and ease of installation. However, they may not perform as well in climates with extreme temperature changes. In Macomb, vinyl gutters can become brittle during cold winters and may crack under snow or ice. While suitable for mild conditions, they may not offer the durability needed for long-term performance in seasonal weather. Seamless gutters. For better protection beyond material choice, gutter design also matters. Seamless gutters reduce the number of joints where leaks can occur. For Macomb homes, seamless aluminum or steel gutters help prevent water leakage during heavy rain and snowmelt, improving overall system reliability. Matching gutter material to your home's needs. Every home is different. Roof size, pitch, tree coverage, and drainage patterns all influence which gutter material works best. Macomb homeowners should consider these factors alongside climate demands when selecting gutter materials to ensure effective water management. Professional installation maximizes performance. Even the best gutter material won't perform properly if installed incorrectly. Proper slope, secure fastening, and correct downspout placement are essential. Professional installation ensures Macomb gutters are equipped to handle seasonal weather while protecting the home's foundation and exterior. Investing in the right gutter material. Choosing the right gutter material is an investment in your home's protection. By selecting materials that withstand Macomb's seasonal weather, homeowners can reduce maintenance, prevent water damage, and enjoy peace of mind year-round. With the right materials and professional installation, gutters become a reliable defense against the elements, keeping Macomb homes safe and dry through every season.